is given 5 power x divided by 25 is equal to 50. So here we have to find out the value of x. How we can find out the value of x in this equation? Let's see solution. So it will become here 5 power x divided by 25 is equal to 50. This is question. So we can do here one thing, we can do cross multiplication. So we are here doing cross multiplication. So 5 power x is equal to 50 times 25. Now 5 power x is equal to, we can write this one, 25 is 5 square, and this 50 we can write 25 to the 50. Now 5 power x is equal to 5 square times 25 is again 5 square times 2, right? Now 5 power x is equal to, this is 5 square, so we can write 5 square and square because this is 2 times 2 here. Now 5 power x is equal to 5 power 2 to the 4, 5 power 4 times 2. Now we can write this one, 5 power x divided by 5 power 4 is equal to 2. Now we are using formula, that is if a power m divided by a power n is given, so value will be a power m minus n. This is formula. So using this formula it will become here 5 power x minus 4. So we can write this one, 5 power x minus 4 is equal to 2, right? Now we have to solve this using log. So we are taking log on both sides. We will get here log of 5 power x minus 4 is equal to log of 2, right? Now again we have to use formula, that is log of a power b is equal to b log of a. This is formula. So using this formula it will become here x minus 4 times log of 5. X minus 4 times log of 5 divided by log of 2, right? Now we have to cancel this log 5, so we can divide both side by log 5. We are dividing here both side by log 5, log of 5, and here log of 5. Now log of 5 cancel from log of 5, so we can say it will become here x minus 4 is equal to log of 2 divided by log of 5. So we can write this one, x minus 4 is equal to log of 2 to the base 5. Now therefore we can say x is equal to, this is minus 4, so it will become here plus 4. So 4 plus log of 2 to the base 5. So this is the value of x here. Now let's verify is this correct or not. So let's check this value. Let's verify. Our question is 5 power x divided by 25 is equal to 50. This is question. Now we have to substitute value of x, this one, 4 plus log of 2 to the base 5 here. So we can substitute here 5 power x. X is 4 plus log of 2 to the base 5 divided by 25. Question mark 50, right? Now this is a form of a power m plus n. So a power m plus n is equal to, this is formula, a power m plus n is equal to a power m times a power n. So using this formula here we can write this one, 5 power 4 times 5 power log of 2 to the base 5, log of 2 to the base 5 divided by this one, 25, question mark 50, right? Now 5 power 4, so we can write this one, 5 power 4 times 5 power log of 2 to the base 5. So again we are using formula, that is log of a, if log of a to the base, log of a power b to the base a is given, so value will be b. So using this formula here we can write this one, value will be log of 5 power log of a to the base b, so value will be b here. So we can say this is 2 here divided by 25, question mark 50. Now here 5 power 4. So this 5 power 4 we can write 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. This is 5 power 4. 4 times 5 times 2 divided by 25 question mark 50. Right. So we can write this one. It will become here 5 power 5 times 5 25, and it will 25. This is cancelled from this one. Now 5 times 5 times 2. So 5 times 5 times 2 question mark 50. 5 5 are 25 times 2 question mark 50. 25 to the 50 is equal to 50. So here LHS is equal to RHS. So value of x is equal to 4 plus log of 2 to the base 5. This is correct solution for this equation. It is verified here. Thank you. If you have any doubts, so you can comment me.